Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Start by opening Settings and clicking on Apps and Notifications. Then choose Notifications and scroll down. Now click on See All from last 7 days and pick an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Voice Recorder. As you can see, when I click on this switcher, all notifications from Voice Recorder are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!